How much should I pay? That was the only response of a truck driver in Luzhou City after he had just crushed a 5-year-old child with his truck. The child died instantly. Xiong Mao Ke, still in kindergarten, was walking home from school with his classmates. According to an eyewitness, the children were walking along the side of the road when a dump truck came at them at an angle, grazing Xiong. The truck stopped and Xiong stood back up. Allegedly, the truck driver then backed up slightly and drove forward, crushing the boy. The accident comes just on the tail of the vehicle manslaughter of the 2-year-old child, Yue Yue, who died on Friday after being in a coma for more than a week.